Located in the Foreshore Estate here in Coomera, the home behind me, built by Simonds Home, offers the perfect family-friendly living. Go check it out.
And what you're going to love about this home is the amazing floor plan. Entertaining living downstairs, upstairs, 4 bedrooms, another void. We can't wait to see you soon.
Out the back, you can really see all the seller's efforts come to life. This beautiful spot here with the fire pit, room for the dogs and kids to play, even the festoon lighting, but truly, you need to come and see this one. We can't wait to see you there.